For example 4 of dividing monomials, we're going to bring back the idea of blending the rules. You can have multiple things going on at one time. Following order of operations for a problem like this, you should start by doing the WAR, what's inside the parentheses, and then worry about doing the power to a power. And so as I look at the coefficient here, it's going to remain unchanged. I'm going to call it 2/3. I can't reduce that. And here is a unique example where we have the hippopotami, I guess is what you would call it, going to war. When you have H5 versus H5, it would actually be a massacre. They would cancel one another out. So your answer won't have any H's in it. And then with your I's, we'll call those iguanas, notice that we have a negative exponent on the top and a negative exponent on the bottom, which tells me both terms need to switch sides. Off to the side here, I'll write it. This bottom should go to the top. I can call that I cubed. And this top should really be on the bottom. Now we have that double traitor idea where they both switch sides. Then I can let them go to war. As they go to war, it's the top that would win. So I'll call that I on the top. And finally, we move to our zebras. It would be Z2 on the bottom. The bottom wins by 2. And the last thing I want to do is contend with this exponent on the outside. I do have to distribute to all the powers on the inside. So it's power to a power, power to a power, so on and so forth. And so this becomes 2 cubed. 2 raised to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. In a similar way, 3 will be raised to the 3rd power, so it's 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. I to the 1 times 3 is 3, and Z to the 2 times 3, which is 6. There would be your final answer.